Hello everyone, my name is Nagasai Pawan Kumar and my teammates are Pawan Kalyan and Prashant. Our project head is K. Prasanna Lakshmi ma'am. We collectively developed a project named as Webcam Wizard Drive, virtual keyboard and mouse for frictionless computing using deep learning. Abstract summarizes that we use a webcam which can be used in both virtual mouse and finger writing. It can be used as an assistive technology. We want to replace physical mouse and physical keyboard by using a webcam and user hand gestures. Proposed system summarizes that virtual mouse is not only used for controlling our mouse, even it can be used for controlling volume, brightness, etc. And using finger writing, the handwriting of user, the text written by the user is converted into a text. Existing system summarizes that TensorFlow is used to recognize hand gestures, and based on these hand gestures, mouse can be controlled, and it is accurate according to market. And also, there is another software which uses object, where object is detected, and based on object movement, the mouse is controlled. And there are some other softwares which uses virtual canvas to draw the shapes that user needs, and the colors can be changed. Eminis dataset is the most widely used dataset for recognizing handwritten characters. It is famously known as optical character recognition, and it is shortly abbreviated as OCR. Coming to implementation is divided into three modules. In the first module, we load our dataset which is downloaded from Kaggle, and the dataset is named as Eminist Balance dataset, which consists of 26 alphabets and 10 digits. And we need to pre-process the data as the images are not in vertical position. Instead, they are rotated into horizontal images and they are flipped. And coming to algorithm selection, we choose an MRF CNN, which is known as Markov Random Field Convolutional Neural Network and Convolutional Neural Network. Coming to video input and gesture recognition, this plays an important role where video input has to contain certain factors like the light should be not minimal, it should be optimal, and the color and size of the hand should be medium ones. And coming to gesture recognition, we used MediaPipe as our as a library, which is accurate as of now. Coming to algorithms, we used CNN, which consists of 5 convolutional neural networks, and we used 2 max polling layers, which is used to reduce the dimension size of the images. And coming to Markov Random Field Convolutional Neural Network, which is known as MRF CNN. MRF CNN is used for character recognition, whereas normal CNN with 5 convolutional layers used for digit recognition. MRF CNN is specifically used to recognize the character that is written by the user by using some probabilistic models. Use case diagram. It shows different ways that users can interact with the software system. Activity diagram. It is a behavioral diagram used in UML diagrams to illustrate dynamic characteristics of the system. It is a complex version of flowchart that depicts the flow of information from one activity to the next. Coming to sequence diagram, it shows the interaction between objects in a software system over time. Our system architecture consists of Coming to system architecture, the user is prompted with two options and he need to choose one. The first option is virtual mouse operation and the second option is finger writing system. Based on the input chosen by the user, video input is taken from the webcam and then the hand is recognized and the fingertips are detected and then hand gesture is recognized, and based on these gestures the following operations of mouse are performed if the user is selected virtual mouse operations at the beginning. And the following operations are cursor movements, right or left click, volume up or down, and no action. No action is performed when there is no gesture detected. And if the user chooses finger writing option, he needs to draw the character that he wants to predict. And after prediction, the user is asked to choose between two options, either to speak out what the system has predicted or to save the predicted characters. Based on the option chosen by the user, the following operation is performed. And here is the execution of virtual mouse and finger writing.
Awesome 123.